Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shukriya Shikhatira. I hope that you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear student, all the praises, thanks, greetings and salutations due to Allah, the Lord of all the worlds. Dear students, let us discuss about a graph and chart. This is a question. You can see a question. Unemployment rate in a district of Bangladesh. Unemployment rate in a district of Bangladesh. Bangladesh একটি জেলা আনএমপ্লয়মেন্ট অর্থাৎ বেকারত্বের হার একটি পার্সেন্টেজের মাধ্যমে তোমাকে শো করা হয়েছে। দেখা যাচ্ছে 1990 সালে 50%, 95 48%, 2000 45%, 2005 47%, 2010 হচ্ছে তোমার 35%. So dear students, how shall we describe this? Firstly we should how to describe. First we should give তোমার কি তোমার যাকে বলে introduction, and then তোমার কি detailing idea, then details and তোমার and lastly হচ্ছে তোমার কি তোমার concluding. হ্যাঁ, concluding. So let us discuss this. Dear student, first we can see that এখন introductory sentence of what shall be, should be written nicely. Suppose introductory sentence may be like this. Yes, tomar look at the graph. Start. It is the introductory. In conclusion, we are giving the tomar introduction. The graph represents the tomar percentage, represent the percentage of unemployed youths in a typical district, একটি তোমার যে কোনো একটা typical district of বাংলাদেশে তোমার একটি এটা কি করছে যে ঢাকা represents the percentage, সে পার্সেন্টেজটাকে রিপ্রেজেন্ট করছে, মানে তোমার তুলে ধরছে। রিপ্রেজেন্ট অর্থ কি? তুলে ধরা, উপস্থাপন করা। The graph represents the percentage of unemployed youths in a typical district of BD or Bangladesh. So dear student, it shows it shows এটা দেখাচ্ছে তোমার কি দিছে, it shows a change in the matter. It shows a change in the matter. There is a তোমার downward tendency. It shows a change in the matter of unemployment as matter of unemployment over the, তো এখানে লক্ষ্য করো যে টাইম পিরিয়ডটা কি, over the period তোমার from এই যে দেখো from 1992 তোমার from 1992 to 2010 of 30 years, of 2010, that means of 20 years, So dear student, what can you see that it shows a change there is a total, there is a difference, time difference is 5 years. 90 to 95, time difference তোমার 5 years. Yes, so in that case we can say that তোমার the change, the it provides information of the change of unemployment, unemployment occurred or তোমার happened, occurred within every 5 years, তো dear students, এটা হয়ে গেল তোমার introduction. তো এই যে এটা তোমার introductionটা তুমি কমপ্লিট করলা, এখন যদি তুমি yes, now we shall start the details information. The graph represents the percentage of unemployed youths in a typical district, of Bangladesh. It shows a change. In the matter of, it shows a change. Change bolte ki dekho, there is an up and down, 50, 48, 45, 35. There is a change always. There is a, it shows a change in the matter of unemployment over the period of 1992 to 2010 of 20 years. It provides information of the change of unemployment occurred within every 5 years. প্রতি 5 বছরে যে তোমার অকারমানি ঘটেছে, পরিবর্তনটা ঘটেছে, এটা এখানে শো করেছে। তো there are students, now we are going to explain the details information. That is, we should give the introduction. Already introductory sentences written here. So my dear students, now come to the point of তোমার details information আসো। details information এর ক্ষেত্রে যে বিষয়টা আসবে, যে তোমার from the, এখানে প্রথমে লিখবা যে according to the বা from the, আমরা লিখতে পারো এই যে from the chart অথবা তোমার according to the chart, তুমি যদি এখানে লিখে from the chart অথবা according to the chart, all are correct. অথবা আমরা লিখতে পারি এখানে তোমার according to the chart, এই চার্টের ভিত্তিতে। according to the chart, it is shown that according to the chart we can see that we can find, but we can see that we can see that the unemployment percentage and the unemployment percentage was 50% in তোমার কি in sorry in 2000 in 1990 in 1990, which is the highest rate, that is the which is the highest rate, which is the তোমার highest rate, যেটা তোমার সর্বোচ্চ মাত্রা, highest rate, which is the highest rate of unemployment. So dear student, according to the chart, we can find or see that unemployment percentage was 50% in 1990, which is the highest rate. Which is the highest rate. Then it goes down. There is a downward tendency in the graph. You can see there is a downward. There is a downward tendency. There is a downward tendency of the change. There is a downward tendency of the change. There is a downward tendency of the rate. There is a downward tendency of the rate. অর্থাৎ রেটে তোমার কি ডাউনওয়ার্ড কেন বলা হলো? এখানে ডাউনওয়ার্ড টেন্ডেন্সি বলতে তোমার দেখো খালি কমছে, এখানে এটা আসছে, তারপরে এটা, এখানে এটা অবজার্ভ করার এটা, মানে ডাউনওয়ার্ড টেন্ডেন্সিটা একটু বেশি। দ্যাট ইজ ওয়াই আমরা বললাম there is a downward tendency of the rate of unemployment, of the rate of unemployment, of the rate of employment. So dear students, it decreases to it decreases to 48% in 1995. অর্থাৎ it decreases to 48% within 5 years. Within 5 years, it decreases to 48%. It decreases to 48% within 5 years. 5 বছরের মধ্যে এটা তোমার কি 48% হয়ে যায়। অর্থাৎ it decreases it decreases in তোমার 1995। অর্থাৎ it reduces 2%. It reduces 2% within তোমার 5 years. It reduces, এটা তোমার কমে যায়, reduce অর্থ কি হ্রাস পাওয়া, কমে যায়, reduces 2% within 5 years. অর্থাৎ তোমার এই 5 বছরের মধ্যে এটা তোমার 2% হ্রাস পেয়েছে, মানে কি reduces, কমেছে। It reduces 2% within 5 years. And in 2000 the decrease or reduction of unemployed তোমার reduction unemployment is continued. It becomes তোমার 45%. It becomes 45% in তোমার in 2000 অর্থাৎ 2000 সালে এটা তোমার হয়ে যায় কি 45%। অর্থাৎ the decrease or reduction of unemployment is continued, এটা চলমান আছে, এবং it becomes 45% 5% in 2000. But it is pessimistic that pessimistically তোমার pessimistically it rises or goes up to 47% in 2005. But pessimistically it rises or goes up to 47% in 2005. অর্থাৎ we can see that it suddenly rose up. It happens suddenly. It occurs it also occurs within the next within the next 5 years. So dear students, but uh, but however it reduced to the percentage the percentage the percentage of the percentage of the rate of unemployment the rate of unemployment but however the percentage of the rate of unemployment becomes or reduces to 35% in 2010, which is very optimistic, which is very optimistic. So dear students, this is detailing is going on. Also far we can see that according to the graphing chart in 1990 the percentage was 50%, which is the highest rate, but it reduces to 48% in 1995. Or within 5 years it has changed to 2%. And then it becomes 45%. It also there is a downward tendency of the unemployment rate. It is nice, but it becomes 45% in 2010. But suddenly or unoptimistically or pessimistically it becomes 47%. দুঃখবশত এটা তোমার কি হয়ে যায় 47% হয়ে যায় in 2005. For the next 5 years it becomes 47%. But it is very optimistic. এটা খুব আশাবাদী কথা যে however the percentage of the rate of unemployment reduces to 35% in 2010, which is very optimistic. যেটা খুব আশাব্যঞ্জক. So dear students, we are detailing or we are describing the graphic chart. We are writing the yes, my dear students. Then we can see that now come have the proportion. Yeah, it is clear to us that the rate of unemployment, the rate of unemployment, the rate of unemployment was or is the lowest in 2010, and the highest is in 1990. That means within 20 years, there is a yes, but there is a downward tendency. It has been it is clear to us that the highest was in 1990 and the lowest was in 2010. The highest is in 1990. Then, dear students, in that case, we can see that in 1995 to 2000, between, my dear student, notice, pay attention, between 2000 and 2005, the change between 2002 yes, between 2000 and 2005, the change is only 2%, but the difference is greater between is greater, the difference becomes greater, the difference becomes greater, the difference becomes greater between 2005 and 10, 2005 and তোমার 2010, অর্থাৎ এই 2005 এবং 10 এর মাঝে ব্যবধানটা তোমার অনেক বেশি, অর্থাৎ this is very optimistic, we are very happy with this change. Then it is the person, it is yes, it is 12%. It is 12%. That means the unemployment, the reduction of rush of unemployment, the reduction of unemployment, the reduction of unemployment occurs, the reduction of unemployment occurs occurs very quickly between 2005 and 2010, which becomes 12%, যেটা 12% এসে দাঁড়ায়, which stands for 12%. Okay, dear students, this already we have given the details idea. We have described this idea. Dear student, looking at the information given here, you only step by step describing. You are telling when which percentage was, then you are telling, and then what happens. You are only gives the information. This is details information already completed. Now, my dear students, we are jumping for the conclusion. Conclusion is very important. We should give a good conclusion of this. So, dear students, now come to the point of concluding. Concluding will be like this: the graph has clearly highlighted the information, highlighted the information about the unemployment. So, my dear student, from my dear brilliant and tolerant students, you are I'm very thankful to you for the graph has clearly highlighted the information about the unemployment rate, in a typical in a typical district, of in a typical district of Bangladesh, So dear students, it is shown that the information is shown very clearly. The information has been shown us very clearly. After the chart has given us clear information. It has highlighted the information very nicely, and this is why our concluding sentence will be like this: the graph has clearly highlighted the information about the unemployment rate in a typical district of Bangladesh. Dear student, you always describe a graphing chart like this way. Give firstly introduction, second gives the details information, then write the concluding sentence. If you describe the graphing chart in these 3 steps, I hope that you always do better in writing graphing chart and getting good marks. So dear student, time is up. So much for today. Be happy, stay healthy. May Allah keep you all safe and sound. Allah Hafiz.